Welcome to my channel. Flight Assistance. Massive Airbus A350F deal. Cargo Aviation just got smarter. Airbus has just secured a major order for its next generation freighter, the A350F, and it could reshape the air cargo industry as we know it. In this video, we cover all the details: which airlines are ordering the A350F, how it compares to the Boeing 777F, what makes it the most efficient freighter in the skies, and how this deal boosts Airbus's position in the global cargo market. 1. AviLease's landmark order at the Paris Air Show on June 16, 2025. Saudi Arabia's AviLease signed a firm order for 10 Airbus A350F freighters, with options to expand to 22 units. Part of a broader deal including 30 A300 and 20 Neo family aircraft, this marks AviLease's first Airbus order. The A350F's fuel efficiency and high payload align with AviLease's strategy to provide modern leasing solutions to global cargo operators. 2. MNG Airlines strategic move. On June 18, 2025, Turkey's MNG Airlines inked a Memorandum of Understanding (MOU) for 2 A350F freighters. This deal bolsters MNG's wide-body cargo fleet, serving high-demand routes across Europe, the Middle East, Asia, and North America. The A350F's versatility supports MNG's mix of scheduled and charter services, catering to e-commerce and specialized freight. 3. A350F's cutting-edge design derived from the A350-1000. The A350F features a composite-rich airframe, over 70% advanced materials, reducing weight by 46 tons, compared to the Boeing 777F. Its industry-leading 175-inch wide main deck cargo door enables efficient loading of oversized cargo, such as aircraft engines, without disassembly. The freighter offers 695 cubic meters of cargo volume, 10% more than its Boeing rival. 4. Impressive payload and range. The A350F boasts a maximum payload of 111 tons over 4,550 nautical miles or 109 tons over 4,700 nautical miles. Equipped with Rolls-Royce Trent XWB-97 engines, it delivers up to 40% lower fuel burn and CO2 emissions than older freighters like the ND-11F. This efficiency suits long-haul cargo routes, such as Asia to North America. 5. Sustainability and compliance. The A350F is the only freighter fully compliant with ICAO's stringent 2027 CO2 emissions standards. It supports 50% sustainable aviation fuel (SAF) at entry into service, with plans for 100% SAF compatibility by 2030. This positions the A350F as a future-proof solution amid increasing environmental regulations in the air cargo sector. 6. Fleet and operational synergies. The A350F shares 100% engine spares and tooling commonality with the A350-1000 passenger variant, and 99% airframe tools commonality. This reduces maintenance costs for operators with mixed A350 fleets. Pilots and ground crews with A350 experience require minimal retraining, enhancing operational flexibility and cost efficiency. 7. Robust order book. As of November 2024, the A350F had 55 firm orders from 10 major cargo operators, with recent deals further strengthening its market position. Key customers include Singapore Airlines 7 units, launch operator AirLease Corporation 7, and Starlux Airlines 10. Airbus projects demand for over 900 new freighters by 2044, with the A350F well positioned to capture significant market share. 8. Competitive edge over Boeing. A350F directly challenges Boeing's 777-8F, which also has 55 orders but trails in development. While the 777-8F offers 6% more volume and 7 tons higher payload, its 32-ton heavier airframe increases fuel costs. The A350F's 20% fuel efficiency advantage and lower operating costs make it a compelling choice for cost-conscious operators. 9. Delayed entry into service. Originally slated for late 2025, the A350F's entry into service has been pushed to early 2026 due to industrial adjustments, with first flights planned for 2025. A further delay to 2027 was reported in February 2025, driven by supply chain bottlenecks, notably with Spirit Aerosystems fuselage production. Singapore Airlines is set to receive the first delivery in 2026. 10. Driving cargo market growth. The A350F addresses surging air cargo demand, fueled by e-commerce, pharmaceuticals, and global trade. Its ability to handle diverse cargo types, from express parcels to heavy machinery, supports operators like MNG and AviLease in expanding their networks. By replacing aging fleets and competing with Boeing's freighters, the A350F is poised to reshape the large freighter market. Hope you like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.